In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana to plan your work tasks in just a few minutes. Now, if you're looking for an efficient way to manage work tasks, Asana might just be the tool you need. Let's walk through the process together. To begin, open your browser and head over to the Asana website. Once there, you'll need to enter your email address in the login field. This is a simple yet crucial step, as it ensures you have the access needed to organize and track projects. After you've entered your email, hit that continue button. You'll then be prompted to enter your password for security reasons. Once you've typed it in, go ahead and click on the login button. Now you're on your Asana homepage. This is your main dashboard where you can see an overview of your workspace. If this is your first time here, don't worry, it's pretty intuitive. To get started managing tasks, consider creating a new project. This can be done by locating the Create Project option on your homepage. When you do create projects, it's essential to give them descriptive names and detailed descriptions. This will help clarify the purpose of each project, making it easier for you and your team to stay aligned. Within each project, you can create new tasks. Watch for the Add Task button or a plus icon to initiate this. You can then assign these tasks to different team members, which ensures accountability. Knowing who is responsible for what task not only streamlines workflow, but also prevents any confusion down the line. Setting due dates is a smart strategy to track progress and ensure tasks are completed on time. It's a good practice to be mindful of deadlines and communicate them clearly to your team. Moreover, within each task, you can add descriptions, attach files, and leave comments. This can be incredibly valuable for providing context and additional information, making the task details comprehensive and easy to understand for everyone involved. Now let's talk about some handy features in Asana. You have access to various views like board or list view, which can be customized based on your preference to visualize project data effectively. The My Tasks feature allows you to keep track of all tasks assigned to you personally. Sections and custom fields can also be used for categorizing tasks based on specific parameters, which can really enhance your project's organization. There you have it, a quick and efficient way to use Asana for planning your work tasks. With these simple steps, you can save time, increase your productivity, and keep your projects well organized. Give it a try and you'll see just how transformative it can be for managing your workload effectively. Thank you for watching and happy task planning.